What's up everybody, welcome to another review video. Today I have this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro. The name is quite long, Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro. Okay, the name is a long one, but what matters is the performance. I have been using this one for almost 9 days now, and I think this is the right time to do a review video of this product. This is a rugged smartphone and this one comes with IP68, IP69K rating. So this one is waterproof, shockproof and dustproof. Do you believe that? Let's test, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one in a jar in the water. Okay, now it's inside the water and we are gonna talk about the specification of this product. Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro comes with MediaTek Helio G95. It's a 12nm based SoC and comes with Mali G52 GPU. Yeah, GPU clock speed is even faster than Dimensity 700, so that means you can play games on this one. The standard edition comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There is a TF card slot, so you can expand storage. This one comes with HD plus 6.52-inch screen and 10,000 mAh battery. Most importantly, this one supports wireless charging. 15-watt wireless charging, that's really very fast for any rugged smartphone. And this one also supports 18-watt wired charging. This Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro comes with triple rear camera setup. The main sensor is 20-megapixel sensor, the selfie sensor is a 16-megapixel sensor, and the most important part of the phone is this one comes with stock Android 12, not Android 11. This one comes with Android 12, which really made me very surprised because most of the rugged smartphone brands, they don't want to provide the newest OS because that one costs a lot, but this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro comes with stock Android 12. It's been 5 minutes that I have placed this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro inside water. I think it's time to take it out and try to play some games. Can we play games on this one after we just take it out from water? Let's try.
Sometimes I get so mad there's no control.
It's still dripping water.
I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils.
The camera is working perfectly fine. Okay, straight out of water and we are gonna play games on this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro. We are also gonna test the speaker of this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro because I have just taken it out from water. I don't know whether there is any water, so I wanna check whether the speakers got damaged or not. So I'm gonna put this in loud volume. I'm worried because this speaker grill isn't covered. So what do you think? The speaker will work or not? Let's see. Wait, there are still some water dripping out the speaker grill, but the speaker is working perfectly okay. You have already heard it by yourself, you have already experienced it. So before we talk about gaming performance, what about the display panel? Yeah, this is a 720p display panel and you cannot expect anything special from this one. This one is a LCD display panel, and if you compare this one with any other OLED panel, then definitely you will find some differences. But if you compare this one with any other 720p panel, then I think this one is one of the best, because while I was playing games, I have noticed black is very dark, white goes very bright, and colors are pretty much vivid and vibrant. Now let's talk about gaming performance. I'm gonna play this in real time and you're gonna check by yourself whether there is any frame drops or whether there is any jitteriness or lag. I have already mentioned in the beginning, this one comes with Helio G85. Helio G85 comes with Mali G52 GPU. This GPU got very fast core speed, that's 1 GHz core speed. Playing games is really fun, but if you wanna play games like Genshin Impact or PUBG, then maybe this isn't a right smartphone for you. So we have already talked about IP68, IP69K rating. We have already placed it in a jar full of water. We have played games, we have checked speaker, we have checked the display panel. What about appearance, in-hand feelings? Sometimes I say I like the design, this design looks premium, this and that, but this design doesn't look like premium. This design is a premium design. The colors, the design material, everything got a very good blend. And there are occasions, many times, many people ask me whether rugged smartphones are very heavy or not. This one doesn't feel that heavy. Let me check the weight of this one. 360 grams. Well, let's check this Honor Magic 4 Pro, 240 grams. So this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro is 1.5 times heavier than any other standard smartphone. I think that's okay because the frame is metal frame and at the back on all the corners there are protection everywhere. Design wise, I really like this design. This is a very good design, especially the selection of colors and the materials. Altogether, this is a premium design. Power button and volume rockers are on the right side. The fingerprint sensor is actually integrated into the power button. The fingerprint sensor on the power button actually works fine. I don't see any issues. It works without any issue, very fast and very fine. Also, if you wanna know, then yeah, there is face unlock and let me try. Yeah, it's very fast and very easy to use. On the left side, you will notice that there is another button. This is a custom key. You can assign any task to this key. Let me show you. Well, there is an option inside the settings. The name is custom key. You just click on that custom key and then you can assign any task. For single click, let me try. Okay, I want open flashlight for single click. For double click, I want to open a game. I want to load this Real Racing 3. And for long press, I want to open underwater camera. Okay, I have selected. Now let's try. Now let's try double press. Yeah, the game is getting loaded. What about the long press? It has loaded underwater camera. So this custom key is a very nice thing. It actually adds convenience to life. Also, most of the time I have this one same complaint about all the rugged smartphones that the haptic motor is very weak. They always use a very weak haptic motor, but the haptic motor used inside this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro is a better one. This one provides better feedback. I mean, when in hand, I actually feel the vibration. At the beginning, I have already mentioned this one comes with Android version 12. Yeah, stock Android. It's very difficult to find stock Android other than Pixel smartphones. Yes, this Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro comes with stock Android 12. This is Ulefone Power Armor 14 Pro, a very long name. I don't like the name, but I love the smartphone. This one comes with Helio P85, and within this price segment, I don't think no other smartphone brands, I mean there is no other rugged smartphone that comes with this type of good processor, mid-range processor and very good performance. I have actually managed to squeeze 7 days of battery life out of this because this one comes with 10,000 mAh battery. And this one supports 15 watt wireless charging. Amazing. You don't have to even carry a cable. I don't carry a cable for this one. Actually, whenever I'm not using this one, I just place it on top of my wireless charger and it starts getting charged. Okay, at the beginning I have already shown that I have placed it inside the water for 5 minutes and nothing happened. Finally, before we finish this video, I want to share some pictures that me and Samara together have taken with this smartphone. Yeah, actually, I have taken the photos of Samara. So let's go through some photos that we have managed to take with this one. You decide whether it's good or bad. I think it's not only decent, it's better than many other.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top?
Okay, what do you think about this smartphone? Please don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. The like and subscription button is over there. Yeah, please subscribe to this channel and support honest content. Share the love.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss that.